Welcome to Conversational Currency, Baltimore's top small business talk show, which focuses on the value and importance of social skills for business in a digital era, told through the stories of today's business and thought leaders. I'm your host, Shadeed Eleazer, and this segment is brought to you by Black professional men who, since 1991, has been focused on the mission of securing the future of the African American male through economics, family, and mentorship programs. Since 1991, BPM has raised over $250,000 in mentorship and college scholarships to ensure the future of our youth. Now, today, we are discussing personal finance and understanding your FICO score with our special guest today, Mr. Keon Haley of FICO. We are proud to announce our partnership with FICO and the Consumer Credit Education Program Score Better Future, which will feature a special guest, Senator Van Hollen. Welcome to the program, Keon.
Hey, thanks for having me, Shadeed.
Okay, let's get right into it. There are a number of people who are, let's say, on the fence about their finances, about their credit understanding. Can you please tell us what is a FICO score and how does it relate to credit health?
Yeah, so a FICO score is a three-digit number ranging from 300 to 850, and it's based on the information that is in your credit report. So this three-digit number helps lenders determine how likely you are to repay a loan. In turn, that affects how much you can borrow and how many months you have to repay that loan, and really how much that loan is going to cost over the life of the loan, or determines kind of your interest rate.
Excellent, excellent. Now, what would you say are the benefits in plain English? Because there's a lot of people who just want to get ahead during this time. What are the benefits of maintaining a good or solid credit history?
Right. So your credit score is an important part of your financial picture. Building solid credit history can have an impact on the quality of your life, from getting a loan, or to get it, from getting a loan for a car, or getting the best interest rates on a credit card. But really, what's important to know is that your FICO score is not static. People can recover and improve their FICO score as long as they have the right tools and knowledge to do so.
Now, we talk about benefits and we talk about results. There's often the discipline and there's also the habits that lead to those positive results that you just described. Now, can you share with us a few healthy habits that lead to a good or positive credit score?
Right. Yeah, that's a great question. And so it's really important to regularly check your credit score as well as your credit report. Right. And so you can get a free credit report at annualcreditreport.com. That's open to every citizen to get a free credit report on a yearly basis. You want to make sure that your credit, and you also want to make sure that whenever you are looking at a credit score, that you're looking at the FICO score, because the FICO score is used in 90% of lending decisions. So you have, there are a lot of different educational, credit educational sites that provide educational credit scores, or some credit score version that, and sometimes those credit scores aren't commonly used by lenders. And so what some individuals don't realize is that when you go to those third party sites to get their credit score, it's not likely the same credit score that the lender is going to be using. So in order to better manage your financial health, it's really helpful for consumers to keep these three things in mind. Pay your bills on time, reduce the amount of debt that you owe, and only apply for new credit on an as needed basis.
Excellent, excellent tips. Just to recap, ladies and gentlemen, because what Keon has just shared are the building blocks, the fundamentals, the habits that you need in order to have a positive or high credit score. First things first, he mentioned the annualcreditreport.com, which is a place that you need to check your credit regularly. The dentist, the doctor, and check your credit regularly. These are the tools to success. Next, you want to make sure that you go into understanding that 90% of decisions are made through your FICO score. So understanding your FICO score, knowing your numbers is very important. And next, there were a few tips that you need in order to succeed. Number one being pay your bills on time. Number two, reduce your debts. And number three is apply for credit on an as needed basis. So make sure you take those tips down. Now, going into current times, we are in COVID-19. And from your vantage point, from your expertise, has COVID-19 introduced any changes in credit management that our viewers need to know?
So if you're one of the thousands of people, millions of people that's been financially impacted by this pandemic, the best course of action is to contact your lenders as soon as possible, and definitely preferable before you miss any payments. And just explain your situation and just seek assistance, right? A lot of creditors are out here to help you through this pandemic. And also here at FICO, we created a FICO score coronavirus checklist, with helpful information about keeping on top of your FICO score during this time. And you can check that out at www.fico.com/coronavirus.
Excellent, excellent. Now, we have a powerful event that is coming up on the 27th. Can you please tell our viewers more about Score Better Future and what we as viewers can expect?
Yeah, really excited to bring this program to the Baltimore area. And Score a Better Future is a national program that brings together consumer advocates, credit educators, and community leaders in a series of free educational events across the country. And this is really to help individuals learn about credit scores and the financial tools they need to achieve their goals and dreams. Right. So again, really excited to host this event. For folks who want to attend on August 27th, they should just go to scoreabetterfuture.com and register there. And what the attendees of a Score a Better Future event are to receive is an educational session led by FICO on the myths and facts about FICO scores and how to build credit. You get free access to your FICO score. And then you also get free access to one-on-one credit and financial counseling, virtually, of course, and a customized plan to help consumers meet their targeted financial goals. And again, really excited to bring this to the Baltimore area on August 27th.
Ladies and gentlemen, your financial health is one of the key resources that you need to survive and thrive during this time. During times of uncertainty, some of the greatest companies, brands were built. Use this time and leverage the education at the Score a Better Future event that will be on August 27th to gain the education that you need in order to move forward. There will be support. There will be experts on hand virtually to make sure that you have all questions answered and you have a path forward. On behalf of Keon Haley, I'm Shadeed Eleazer. On behalf of Conversational Currency, where we discuss the value and importance of social skills for business in a digital era through the lens of today's business and thought leaders. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with us. And for that, we appreciate you. Enjoy your day and tune in on the 27th for financial literacy and education. Thank you very much.